Now you'll be overjoyed to find that there are 4 amazing programs you can use to get 200 points every 30 minutes. So I guess I've already jumped the gun. This method is wonderful. Therefore, I'm delighted to demonstrate it to you. I'm not going to lie. It's definitely one of the most effective approaches I've seen in the many years I've spent online. Let me promise you that everything will be simple. All you need is a device that might be as large as a PC or as little as a smartphone. So pick the option that is most convenient for you. Not only that, but it serves everyone on the planet, no matter where they are on the 7 continents. Furthermore, this method is entirely free. Above all, the best part about this method is that it's entirely accessible, even to complete newcomers like you. I'm telling you that you can complete this in one setting and that you don't need any prior expertise or technical knowledge to do it. So stick around until the end. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Let's get back to the video now. So without further ado, let's get started with app number 1, cashkarma.io. You'll be routed to their official website as soon as you type it into your browser search bar, which you can see right here. You can earn rewards by conducting surveys and other activities on this platform. What does it imply that this is the only reward app that allows you to receive rewards even if you don't qualify for the survey? It implies that there are several approaches to profit using Cash Karma because you're never limited to doing surveys. This is ideal for anyone with a diverse set of talents, interests, and hobbies. I enjoy Cash Karma for some reason, and you can see why right here, where it says you can get 300 points just by downloading the app. Nothing makes me happier than obtaining free money without having to do anything, and Cash Karma can make it happen. Scroll down to see the Cash Karma reward system, where you can redeem your points for PayPal Cash or Amazon gift cards. PayPal is one of the best digital banking platforms because of its simplicity and ease of use, and Amazon is the largest online shopping platform in the world. Therefore, these two are critical in claiming your rewards. You can either have cash or gift cards, both of which will help you with your online purchasing. Keep in mind that they will be adding a lot more gift cards to their app in the near future, so stay tuned. In addition to conducting surveys or other tasks on Cash Karma, you may increase your earning by purchasing bonuses. When you obtain achievement badges, you can get additional bonuses. If you complete 5 offers, watch 25 videos, or earn 8,000 points or more, you can do so. Cash Karma will reward you for the effort you put in when you hit certain milestones, which I think is cool. The second program I'd like to show you is called GetPaid2.com. and it operates similarly to the first, Cash Karma. You have more alternatives with GetPaid2, since you can earn GPT points for simple actions like completing surveys, playing games, watching movies, and more. Everything works in 3 easy steps. I'd like you to scroll down a bit to see what you'll need to do to make this work. Step 1 is to complete tasks, filling out questionnaires, watching films, playing games, and other activities similar to what I just mentioned may be among your responsibilities. Step 2 is to accumulate points. You can calculate a dollar value that corresponds to every 5,000 points you earn. This is where you may earn money by completing surveys, playing games, and other activities on GetPaid2.com. Keep in mind that achieving 5,000 points is a rather simple task. You would think that just because it's in the thousands, it's difficult to obtain. But that's not the case because you can complete this task in as little as 1, 2, 3 and you won't even break a sweat doing it. So it's all done in one go. Step 3 is to receive payment. Your points can be exchanged for cash, gift cards, and a range of other items. You have several options to select from, so you can do what is best for you. You can see some of the things you can do here if you look around the page. Knife Smash, Candy Mahjong, Tasty Shuffle, and other games are available online. You can take surveys with Uno, Say So, and a variety of different research panels, and you can also see what you can do with offer walls with these other offers to gain GPT points and significantly enhance your profits. With Offer Turo, AdGem, Lootably, and a slew of other platforms to choose from. It's safe to say that this platform has it all. Before we go any further, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video thus far. Please leave a comment below if you found this video interesting and informative. Returning to the video, we'll now visit AdWallet.com, the third website for today's video. You can conduct surveys, played games, and accomplish simple chores on the previous two websites. You've probably noticed that this next platform takes a somewhat different strategy to making money while yet retaining the same degree of efficiency, speed, and simplicity. With AdWallet, you can earn real money from your favorite businesses, and the process is straightforward. There are 3 basic steps as you can see. Step 1. Watch a video and wait for a text notification when it's time to log in and watch a brief video. This platform is tailored to your tastes and activities, delivering the best information to put you at ease. Step 2. Get paid for watching the videos you just did. Earning a minimum of $0.50 up to $5 every video interaction may not seem like much in your thoughts, but it's far more than you acquire. Imagine earning that much money numerous times in a single day thanks to AdWallet's limitless possibilities. This is really fantastic as more and more movies are added daily. Step 3. Increase your earnings by earning an extra $1 for each person you refer and downloading offers from brands you like. You are welcome to peruse the full page for any information you require. Everything is already well presented on this page, so feel free to continue browsing. The fourth and last app in the video, in my opinion, is the cherry on top, but it does have one advantage. It is only available for Android smartphone. Don't fear, Apple users. Once Apple releases an update, this software will be widely available. You never know when something like this will happen, so be prepared. MoneySMSApp.com is the name of the website, and it is great. Consider how much money you can make by simply leaving your phone at home and allowing your system to receive automated messages. That is truly incredible, and it is entirely possible with this app. Money SMS is a free Android software that lets you make money online by receiving SMS from their system and consumers. Many telecom SMS providers and mobile network operators need to send SMS text messages to other nations to verify and ensure proper delivery of their SMS. This is why you're getting paid. You are compensated because they utilize your phone number to conduct these tests. However, they will never have access to your data or other text messages. They don't have access to your entire device's data and are only interested in the text that they have provided themselves. With such a straightforward method, this is an opportunity you should never pass up. That concludes the discussion. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.